Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making sweet Hawaiian Crescent rolls in the air fryer. Let's get started. We have here is the sweet Hawaiian roll from Pillsbury. And let's open it up. So start here, just gonna open this up real quick. And as you can see, there's a line with the arrow. You just push it right there and it should pop out. Like that. Okay, we're gonna roll it out. Pull all three, and that's what we're making today. And the third one. Yo, we have three, and we'll save the rest for another day. What you do is you just take it and you just roll it up. It's just that simple. That's one. Two. And three. And let's preheat the air fryer. Okay, so we're going to preheat the air fryer at 300 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. And the next thing what we're going to do is take some melted butter and just apply a little bit on top. There we go. Now we're going to put them in. Next thing what we're going to do is spray some olive oil. There you go. We're going to put in the rolls. So 1 and 3. Make sure they're spaced out. Okay, we're going to put them in. We're going for 300 degrees for a total time of 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. Okay, let's take them out. And third one. Okay, the last thing what we're going to do is add a little bit more melted butter on it. This is what we have today, sweet Hawaiian Crescent rolls from Pillsbury. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.